Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to operate the climate control on the Tesla Model Y and Model 3. Everything works via the screen. There are no physical buttons to operate the climate control. There are two zones in the front, so you have here the buttons for the left, the driver's side zone, and here on the right you have the button to control the right hand side of the car. And you can also find the manual, and under there you can search for climate control and you will have everything explained, but I'm just going to show you the main functionality to get you started. So to get into more functionality, just press the button here where the temperature control is. You can also go up and down, and you can do split or no split for the climate control. So you can adjust both sides or do them separately. And once you press this button, you get the more controls here. And if you want to direct the airflow, just touch the screen and point to the direction where you want the airflow going. And so you can do that on both sides, and you can also like split it if you do like with 2 fingers or 2 hands. There's no good way to stop the airflow completely, except when there's nobody sitting on the right hand side. It won't turn on unless you tap it, and then it will turn on. And then you have the rear controls, but well, I don't have the new Tesla model where you would have also airflow controls in the back, but you do have the seating, heating controls for the back on this model. And for the front you have the seating heat controls over here, and on the other side for the right hand side. And then you have, like, it's by default on auto, but you can go to manual, then you can control, like, do you have airflow to the legs and so on. I just like to keep it on auto. Then you have a pet mode, which is quite nice. So when you enable pet mode and go out of the car, you will still have a possibility to maintain air temperature. Also have camp mode. If you're sleeping in the car for camping, you can set it at a certain temperature. And you have also the keep functionality, but just for driving you don't need to touch those settings. Then you have you can go to high, you get stronger airflow, or to low for less airflow. And then you have the this is the rear window heating, and then you have like air circulation. And then you have this they had a specific name for that button earlier, but don't see the name in the manual anymore. But anyhow, if your car has a medical grade HEPA filter, it ensures you have the best quality air inside when you turn that on. So basically, if you have something which smells really bad outside, you could turn this mode on to get the best quality air inside the car possible. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.